More people are using credit cards because of the economic crisis that we're in. This is why I wanted to give you 6 facts that you need to know about credit cards. You're listening to the Finance Therapist Podcast, and I'm your host, Michelle Pava. This is where we talk about all things feelings and finance. I'm your guide on the path to financial empowerment and emotional healing. So today we're going to dive into the world of credit cards, and I've got something special for you because a lot of people use credit cards, but a lot of people don't know about the Credit Card Accountability Act of 2009. These nuggets of knowledge are about to change the way you look at your plastic. Now, I want to state that there are many nuggets of information that I want to give you about credit cards, but today there's going to be 6. I chose these because I felt that these would be the nuggets that you can use as collateral, no pun intended, so that you can advocate for yourself if you need it to. These are the springboard for your self-activism. So let's just dive into number 1. Did you know that creditors must notify you a whopping 45 days in writing before making any significant change to the terms of your credit card agreement? This is a grace period allowing you to prepare and also make informed decisions about your finances. So they can't just slide in and be sketchy. That's just not appropriate, not legal. Fact number 2, when it comes to application fees and annual fees, they cannot total more than 25% of your initial credit limit. It's all about keeping those fees in check and ensuring transparency in your credit card agreement. Fact number 3. So this one is blurry in a lot of ways, and you're going to see why. Creditors may only increase your interest rate in the first 12 months under specific circumstances. This can happen if you're 60 days late with a payment or if an introductory rate has ended. But there's also a little bit of a catch here that the rate can only increase, it can only apply to the new charges. This is very blurry. You have to read your terms. Fact number 4. While your rate may be raised under certain conditions, it's reassuring to know that this increase only applies to new charges. So your existing balance remains unaffected by the change. Make sure this is happening. People make mistakes and they also can be sketchy. So you want to make sure that that's happening for you. Number 5, your credit card statement must provide you with crucial information. I know a lot of people, when they're stressed over money, they don't even open their bills, but please, please open. It should show you how much time and interest it will take to pay off your balance when making only the minimum payments. This transparency empowers you to make smarter financial choices. And lastly, and I think this is a good kind of end to these, is that there is a relief for all credit card holders. They can't charge you for making a payment. Your hard-earned money should go towards reducing your balance, not paying extra fees. So they can't say, there's a transaction fee if you pay online. That's charging you to actually make a payment. No. So I hope that these 6 facts were both intriguing and enlightening about the Credit Card Accountability Act. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your finances, as with any other area of your life. So if you're ready to embark on financial wellness, emotional wellness, I invite you to visit my website, thefinancetherapist.com, for free resources. Don't forget to follow the Finance Therapist Podcast for more episodes. Your financial wellness journey begins here, and I want to thank you so much for joining me, Michelle Pava, and until next time, stay financially savvy and emotionally free.